Hello friends, welcome back to the Wisdemy channel. We are in the middle of a very interesting series of videos on how to achieve all-round excellence the Gita way. And if you have missed them, please check them out using the links provided in the description below. Part 1 was all about the critical importance of spiritual wisdom for achieving success. Part 2 contained valuable guidance about how to set inspiring goals. Part 3 discussed the foundational virtues of firm faith, right attitude, and control over passions for peak performance. Let us now watch a few moments from Part 4. Make excellence your signature. When we follow Sri Krishna's advice, we are taking out the agitations in our mind about the likes, dislikes, and the results of that action out of the picture. The two key takeaways from this can be time management and cultivation of habits. Once we are clear about what is to be done, we waste no time thereafter. We stick to the timetable and complete all jobs in time. Habits are at the very center of excellence in life. The very nature of life is repetitive, and our mind is also conditioned to form habits to conform with the repetitive nature of life. Once we cultivate the right habits and learn to manage our time well, our journey thereafter is directed towards the peak of excellence. MSD was not only having one of the sharpest cricketing brains, but was also a very keen watcher of the game. A case in example was the ease with which he used to decipher the field umpire's decision and take a judgment call whether to go for a third umpire's review or not. That stemmed from his ability to watch the ball, watch the proceedings, see the situation so accurately that his judgment was hardly ever wrong. Look at this freeze frame of the shot Dhoni played to win the World Cup for India. His eyes are completely transfixed onto the ball. If he has been able to achieve this focus, it is because of years of effort, years of practicing that single pointed focus on the ball. To sum up, in part 4, we saw how engaging in Karma Yoga, developing single pointed focus and equanimity lead to improved time management and cultivation of right habits to deliver excellence each and every time. Let us now watch our role model for this session. MS Dhoni unleashes magic with the power of equanimous attitude.
Finishes off in style. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the.
That's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out. But if you can do it with a smile, you know that you'll become part of maybe the 5%.
Let us now go back to the Bhagavad Gita to understand how one can cultivate a sense of equanimity that enables us to smile through all the situations one comes across on the cricket field and off it too.
Dukkeshvanudvignamanaha Sukeshu vigatasprahaha Vitaragabhayakrodaha Sthitadhirmuniruchyate.
In this verse, Lord Sri Krishna advises us that to become truly a man of spiritual wisdom, one must cultivate an intellect that does not get disturbed by anger, fear, or attachment. This is easier said than done. It is indeed a lofty goal that is worthy of the human endeavor. The entire set of spiritual disciplines have been prescribed by the sages and masters of the yore to advise us on how to achieve this supreme status. Practicing of meditation, always doing one thing at a time, overcoming likes and dislikes, as also practicing single-pointed attention over sustained period can really help us see accurately our own self. Since times immemorial, the path of Karma Yoga has been open to all the seekers across all paths of life. Rendering noble service and keeping the service above self has been the way of the Karma Yoga. The armed forces have always shown the way as far as rendering service to the nation is concerned. The very credo of the armed forces, service above self, signifies this noble tradition. Our role model for this session was MS Dhoni, and he has indeed shown the way here too by taking up an honorary commission as a lieutenant colonel in the territorial army. Do spare a thought for that Jawan in his bunker, manning his rapid-fire stun gun, keeping eyeballs locked in conflict with the enemy on the other side. He is a true Karma Yogi, if there is one. Let us all salute him as we learn the secret of his trade. To recapture once more, we learned how important it is to set a worthy goal for ourselves, a goal that is in line with our natural abilities. Thereafter, we learned how to stay faithful to achieve peak performance levels, to take giant strides towards that lofty peak. We needed to cultivate faith unshakable, as also an attitude of reverence, service, and inquiry. We also learned the importance of keeping our passions in control. Thereafter, we also understood how time management and cultivation of right habits are so crucial in achieving peak performance levels. Finally, we realized that it is extremely crucial and important to learn how to focus on a single point of action with undivided attention and practice equanimity, which helps us stay level-headed through the ups and downs of life. So all of these practices together can constitute a toolkit to excel in life and make a contribution, whichever field of work or sport we are in. It is not necessary to be a cricketer. It is not necessary to render service in the armed forces. Wherever we are, we can practice the noble discipline of Karma Yoga and make a worthy contribution that elevates our own life and at the same time make a substantial contribution to our country's progress. Jai Hind.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ बेसब्रियाँ 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 क्या ये उजाले क्या ये अंधेरे दोनों से आगे है मंजर तेरे क्यों रोशनी तू बाहर तलाशे तेरी मशाले अंदर तेरे क्यों ढूंढना पैरों के निशान जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ बेसब्रियाँ